paper, few scribbles, then few symbols and a picture. Hello, my name is Leena Singh and I am a teacher at Shevit Kids, Vadodara. For you and me, this may be a simple piece of art, but for a child, it is a whole process of learning. Art is a process of experimenting, discovering, exploring. Through self-expression and communication, children develop their skills naturally. Art expands their ability for self-expression and communication. It not only develops their brain, but it also cultivates skills which are necessary for their natural development. So, child development refers to physical, emotional and mental changes that occur in the child from the time he is born till the beginning of adulthood. During this process, the child progresses from dependency on parents to increasing independency. Child development is strongly influenced by genetic factor, environmental factor, events occur in prenatal life and also his own learning capacity. Why art is important? So we see while the child is involved in art activities like drawing with pen or paper, with crayons, or painting activities with brush or paints, or constructive activity with scissor, paper or glue, or sculpting activity with clay. Children learn many skills which are important for their overall development. So now I talk about fine motor skills which are also important for children's development. So when children are involved in these art activities, they learn to hold crayon, they learn to hold brushes. When children hold these crayons and brushes, they develop their fine muscles in their hands and fingers. These development help children with writing, doing simple tasks like buttoning the shirt or any activity that requires control hand movement. It also helps with cognitive development where the children learn to think, they learn to explore and they learn to find out creative ways to their solution. For example, if a child wants to draw a family of 4 on a piece of paper, how he is going to place them with trial and error the child will learn. It also involves decisions making like what material the child wants to use or what color the child wants to use. It also helps in creativity. So how do we teach art to our children? We should understand that art is natural to children. They want to be creative, they want to express themselves. We teach them by providing material, we teach them by providing opportunities. Now, we should not teach them how to draw. It is, we give them opportunity to draw and slowly and gradually their scribbles turn into images and drawings. So it is important to give them opportunity to express themselves. For example, if you see this picture may not, you may not feel that it is something, but slowly and gradually it may start looking like this. So just as the picture was not recognizable, it doesn't mean that the child was not drawing. We should not always focus on the end product. We should focus on the process. We should encourage the child during this process of learning. Encouraging and motivating the child helps them to express themselves freely. So how do we promote creativity in children? To promote creativity, we should provide them with a lot of material and different materials. Like to work on, we should give them cardboard, paper or fabric, or different tools like paper, markers or paintbrush. So the more they have material, the more creativity will come out of the child. Other thing we can do is we can make a splash zone where the child is clear easily. The child is free to carry out his activity. The art supplies that we are providing to the child should be good enough to use with little supervision, so the child can use it by himself or herself. Other thing is, when the child is involved in these activities, we should not interrupt them. Let them use the material they want to do. It may happen that the child wants to take off the paper of the crayon and use it lengthwise rather using the tip of the crayon. Next is that we should allow the child to explore the material. The more the child explores it, the more he learns, the more creativity comes out of them. So I would like to say that children learn through playing, through exploring, through experimenting. Now, art may seem to be a simple activity, but children are learning a lot through these simple activities. In my conclusion, I would like to say that art is an important part of child's development. So when next time you see a child involved in art activity, limit your guidance and see how they surprise you with their creativity. Thank you for watching my presentation.